Today's proverb is talking about social status. It says, the translation is this: it is not only the star fruit tree that bears children whose mouths are often pressed open. The meaning goes thus: do to others as you will have them do unto you. I hope you learned something from this proverb. Ntị anụ okwu dị n'ime, nke ni bụrụ nye mụsha ye n'ọnụ, ka ọ dị n'oge ọzọ. Daalụnị. Let me see your comments in the comment section. Can you translate this proverb into another meaning? Because as we say, uche oye ada ajụ anjọ. Let's see your own translation or meaning of this particular proverb. Thank you and do have a very pleasant day. Bye.